Hello and welcome to today's 2-minute book review. In today's video, I want to share with you our thoughts on the book Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. First, a little background on the book. It was published in 2018 and has since become a bestseller, offering practical advice for building good habits and breaking bad ones. I have to say, we were really impressed by this book. Clear presents his ideas in a clear and concise way, and the book is full of practical tips and strategies for building good habits and breaking bad ones. Some of the key points covered in the book include the importance of making small, incremental changes, the role of environment and accountability in building habits, and the power of compound effects. One thing we really appreciated about the book is that it offers a framework for understanding habits that is easy to follow and apply to your own life. Clear also provides a range of examples and case studies to illustrate his points, which really helped to bring the concepts to life. Overall, we would highly recommend Atomic Habits to anyone looking to build good habits and break bad ones. Whether you're looking to improve your health, productivity, or relationships, this book has something for you. If it helps, in the video description, you'll find our favorite quotes from the book, additional key concepts, and pros and cons to consider before picking up Atomic Habits. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to get notified of our next 2-minute book review. If you've read Atomic Habits, we'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and have a good habit-forming day.